Hey guys, welcome to Lognips. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your contacts on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to delete your contacts on iPhone, first open up your phone app on your iPhone. And over here guys, I've landed directly on the contact section of my iPhone from the phone app. But if in case you land on the keypad favorites recent section over here guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see there is the contacts option available for us. Now in order to delete our contact on an iPhone, choose the contact or choose an contact or choose a contact which you want to delete. So I will be going with this one. So I do no longer require this contact because this contact has been already deleted from their side as well and no longer available. Now in order to delete your contact from over here guys, you can see the edit button at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that edit button and scroll down to the bottom where you can see there is the delete contact option available for us. Tap on that delete contact option and again delete. Or you can try another way to delete your contact, that is by tapping and holding the contact which you want to delete on your iPhone. And after doing that guys, this kind of menu will pop up where you can see there is the delete contact option available at the bottom of the list. And if you tap on that delete contact, this contact will be deleted also. And there guys, this is how you delete your contacts on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.